We're here at the Africa DG Trends, which is a pre-forum for the Youth Initiative for Women in Politics in Africa. And I'm here with Hafsat Abiola, who's the director and founder of KIND. Hafsat, thank you very much for joining us. I wanted to ask you, what role do you think governments can play in pushing the Women's and Youth Initiative for politics for young people in Africa?
The governments have a key role to play. You know, across Africa, people talk about government like it's a dirty thing. But we make government. The government represents us. So the government should encourage young people and women to come and be part of the government, to be part of the changes that need to be made in Africa. Government can only be as good as the people of Africa that join government. And the government should now open the way through the political parties, through appointments, through agencies, to make the political process inclusive for young people and for women.
And of course, in government, we do have a lot of women in the top parts of the government. What role do you think these women in the higher parts of the government can play in mentoring young women to be more actively involved in politics?
Or they can play a big role. And in fact, when you think of mentoring, the mere fact that the women are there in office already is a symbol and a signal to many young women. But where we want the government to play an even bigger role with women in government, established women, is to act as sponsors for young women, not just mentors. Sponsors put names forward of credible young women and create an opening for them to serve and begin their leadership journey. We're inviting established women politicians to play this role as well.